Hello, this is Dennis with theGarageEngineer.com, and today I wanted to show you a quick way to make a shop air filtration system. So I was about to do some sanding and I wanted to make a quick air filtration system for the shop, and this is the basic parts that I need. We've got a $5 20 by 20 by 1 inch air filter, duct tape as always, painter's tape because I don't know if I have enough duct tape, just a simple box house fan. I think it was like 20 bucks at Home Depot. And then those are even cheaper filters that you can get 4 or 5 for like 10 bucks. So that's going to be our pre-filter, that's going to be our regular filter, and then the fan's going to be our motor to suck the air in. So let's put it together. Okay, so let's start with, this is just a 20 by 20, 20 inches by 20 inches by 1 inch thick filter. The reason I got this size is because this is 20 by 20. And also, get the filter on the bottom shelf at Home Depot. These are the cheapest, or second cheapest, is for $5, and they went up to like $20. You don't need a $20 one, you just need a $5 one. And to make these last longer, I bought these even cheaper filters. These don't have, they're more of a, not horsehair, but they're just a fine hair, very thin, a lot of particulate can go through it. What I use these for is to put on over the filter, and this catches the big stuff like paint or big particles of dust before it gets to here, and it'll make your $5 filter last longer. So we'll put that off to the side. We're going to open up the main filter. Now you can build fancy boxes to go around it, but I'm just trying to do it quick and dirty to get it done. So we're going to use duct tape, which is going to hold it to the box. There is on here, if you look, it says airflow, and it's pointing the direction of the airflow. So make sure, since we are using this as a filtration system and it's going to suck your dust in, then that you got to make sure that your airflow is going that direction. This is the front of the fan where normally it blows on you to keep you cool, but we're going to be using the back of it. And we're going to stick our fan this way, so the airflow needs to go that direction. So now let's get some tape. I'm just going to put a few pieces on here just to hold it, and then later we'll come around with some blue tape and we will cover all the gaps so the airflow is not going around the filter, it's actually going through the main filter. Alright, so we got that. So that's that way. Now you'll see is the plug and the switch are not are covered up at this point, because this you might want to find a unit that has the switch on top. Then you won't have to worry about it. But for this unit, the switch and all that's in the back, so I'm going to have to cut a hole to be able to access that. Alright, so now we need to find where the plug goes and where the on-off switch is. Let's see here. Open it up. Guess I should have marked it before. Right there. And right there. Alright. There is a wire mesh in here, so I'm using wire cutters to get into here to cut the wire mesh. See how it's going to work. We'll get the initial setup. Get the plug back in here. Like that. Plug it into our drop cord. And turn it on. Alright, so we got the proof of concept now. That's low. So it's pulling the filter pretty good right now. So let's add the pre-filter to it, and that'll pretty much be it. trying to avoid cutting the cardboard here just so that it keeps the stability of it, since it is kind of just, it's not as strong. Just enough to get our fingers in there. Alright, so now we'll just tape this down. Now I'm going to use painter's tape. That way it will, we'll probably change out the green one more often than we will our main filter. So we use a less sticky tape for that. Get it standing up here. Let's give her a test. And there you can see some of the dust particles being picked up by the fan. So it's not an industrial air filtration system, but it'll definitely work. Well, thanks for joining me on this quick build of the air filtration system. If you like the video, I hope you click the like button, and I definitely hope you click the subscribe button so you can see the upcoming videos coming out later this year. And remember, add some flagging tape for fun, just to show that it's turned on.